Hey, Carolyn Porter here, and this video is on a brief overview of the Google Keyword Planner tool. Keyword Planner has replaced the Google Keyword Tools, and I just want to give a brief overview of how you can use that. Now, in order to use the tool, you have to have a Gmail account. In order to get into it, you should be signed into your Gmail account. So once you're in your Gmail account, you go to adwords.google.com. And so let's go there now. And this will take you to the keyword tool. Sometimes it's a little slow getting there. Okay, so the keyword tool is set up basically to create Google AdWords ad campaigns, but we're not going to use that. So when you come here, unless you're doing paid AdWords ads, you will come only to this section that say Tools and Analysis, and you're going to go down to Keyword Planner, and that's where you're going to find the keyword tool. So once you get in there, you will go to the section to get keyword ideas. And again, this is being a little slow today. So you're going to search for new keywords. So this is where you're going to go. Keywords and group ideas. And this is a little different than the keyword tool used to be in the past. But let's just go over some of the things that we have here. You can do this, and you can do this by location. You can use the United States or any other place around the world. You can do the whole world. You can do it with different languages, English or any other language that you choose, and you can look at Google or any other Google partner search engine. I mean, Google is the largest search engine, so you will use Google's there. You can search the keywords by how many volume they have on there if you want to. You can, if you're doing AdWords, you'll do bids and percent share, and impression. You don't need to do any of those because you won't be using this for AdWords. It's just for the keyword tools. This right here is here, but it's really not it's not relevant anymore because Google only gives you exact search. Like broad match is not there anymore. Okay, so let's just choose a keyword, and so you can use this to get keyword ideas. Okay, so let's just choose a keyword, and so we're going to go for weight loss. And you go get ideas, and once you come inside here, you see that you have ad groups. We're not going to go there because we are we're doing keywords, so we're going to go over to keyword ideas, and you can look through here and you'll find ideas around weight loss. Now when you look in there, and if you see that you have things that are not related to weight loss, there's a way to move it out of there, but it seems that most of our stuff are in here for weight loss. And what you're using this part of the tool is to get ideas of how of what keywords you can use for, when you're doing a video, for the tag in the video, or for your keywords in your video, or for a blog post or whatever. So that's what you're using it for. Another thing is that we can sort this in descending order, so we can see all the different keywords that we have in it. See, this is one right here that I don't really need. If I'm talking weight loss, I don't want to talk about different kinds of diet because maybe that would not be appropriate for whatever you're using this for. So there's a way that you can change that. And you can go, you see I clicked on exclude right here. If you want to take anything out there that is not tightly related to weight loss, like that one that was talking about a certain kind of diet, you can take that out, and you can do that by going to include, exclude, and you want to include only the only keywords that you want to include is anything that has to do with weight loss. So you type that in here, weight loss, and then it will get rid of anything out there. So it's working on that again, and it'll get rid of anything that is not weight loss. So we have that. We have 800 of those. So now that you have this, you need to drill down to get the ones that you want the most, the ones that you want to use. And the best way to do that would look for keywords that are 3 or more words. So this is weight loss, and you can pull all those over here by clicking the button. So you see weight loss stories. If you want to drill that down a little bit more, you can just put it over here. And you can go through all of these and pull out the ones that you want to use, the ones that are what we call long tail keywords, if it's appropriate and if it's something that you want to include in your video, your articles, whatever you're doing, you can go out and pull those all out. And then once you get them all there, you can go and refine your search even more. And remember, whatever you're getting here is exact match. So whatever number of volume it has there is a true volume. So you can go and take those out. So let's just say that we want to, and I'm trying to make this video as short as possible. So I'm doing this pretty quickly. So let's just say that you want to take these ones out, and these are the keywords that you choose. And now whatever you pull out here is going to be totally based on what you're using this for, okay? So it's going to be stuff that is relevant to what you're creating your videos around, writing your blog posts around. And so you go here and then you can modify the search and put the new keywords in there. Then it'll come back and tell you exactly what we have on those. And then bring up other related keywords ideas to those. So let's just see quickly what we get. And now we have I had stuff about supplements. So you see things that have medical things that you can use to supplement weight loss diet, types of food, and it's not really many for those. We have about 400 keywords, but that's good. And so you just go through it, and so you pick your ideas, you go through the whole, and I'm not going to go through the whole 800 or the whole 300 this time, but basically this is what you're going to do to get keyword. And this here is I'm showing you how to get keywords ideas. So what you're going to do is you're going to put that broad keyword in and let it bring back related keywords. Make sure that it's tightly related and has weight loss in it, because those were your main keywords, right? And so I went down to include, exclude, to include only keywords, phrases that has weight loss in it. And then you go through it and pull out the ones that you want to use. And once you get those, you put it over here in a group, and then you come back and modify the search to get other keywords, ideas that are closely related to the one that you choose. So this is how you can use the keyword planner to get keyword ideas, and you keep drilling down until you get to the one that you want to use in your videos or in your blog post. Carolyn Porter here, and I will see you on the next video. Thank you.